Let's unwrap the ultimate toolkit for that car guy in your life. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. Check this out. From hook and pick tools to scrapers. And even a telescope magnetic pickup. Check it out. Super cool. This set has it all. Designed for the O-rings. Look at this. Seals, gaskets, and those small, hard to reach repairs. This is perfect for mechanics, do-it-yourselves, or anyone that lives under the hood. Perfect. Super helpful. Check it out. A total of 11 tools. So look at this. Look at the ends to scrape and use it for so many things. It's a perfect gift. This can come in handy for many, many things. Let's check it out. A ver qué tal.
Gift him tools he'll actually use. This 11-piece automotive hook and pick set is a mechanic's dream. Magnetic included. Whether he's fixing a seal, pulling a clip, or saving the day in the garage, this set's got his back. A perfect gift for Father's Day or just because. Available now on Amazon. Get yours today.